Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, if you have recently updated your iPhone to iOS 26 and suddenly your microphone isn't working, a lot of users are reporting issues like people not hearing them on calls, voice notes being silent, or apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, or Zoom are not picking their voice. Don't worry, I'll have got some quick and easy fixes that help you out. Let's dive right into it. Step 1. Check the basics. Make sure your iPhone's microphone holes are not blocked by dust, dirt, or even your phone case. Clean it gently with a soft brush or cloth. If you are using heavy case or screen protector, remove it and test again. Solution 2. Restart your iPhone. This one sounds basic, but trust me, it fixes a lot of update glitches. Just press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. Wait for few seconds, then turn it back on. Solution 3. Check microphone permissions. If your mic works in some apps but not others, it could be a permissions issue. Go to Settings app, tap on Privacy and Security. Here scroll down and tap on Microphone. Make sure the app you are using like WhatsApp, Instagram or Zoom have the toggle turned on. Solution 4. Turn off Bluetooth. Sometimes your iPhone routes the audio to a Bluetooth device without you realizing. Swipe down to open the control center. Hit tap on Bluetooth and here check that your Bluetooth is turned off. If it's on, turn it off. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Go to Settings app, tap on General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then tap Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode, then again tap on Reset to confirm your action. This will just reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and system settings back to default. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.